welcome to Rabia's Time Book. Let's learn colors. Yellow color, purple color, light green color, red color, dark green color, brown color, blue color, orange color, pink color.
Wow! Amazing!
So these are our colors. So now let's learn shapes. First of all, we are drawing a triangle. Triangle. Draw with me. Come on, everybody. Triangle. Now we are drawing a square. Square. So this shape is square. Now use any circular thing you have, like I have this tape and I am using it to draw a circle. So this is our circle. Let's just repeat: triangle, square, and circle. Now we are drawing a star. 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 Now let's just draw a heart shape. Look how cute our heart is looking. Now let's just color our shapes. So we are coloring and filling our triangle with red color. Red color. Now we are using blue color to fill our. Come on, what is this? Which shape is this? Yes, this is a square. So we are done filling our square with blue color. Now we are using. Have you recalled it? Which color is this? Come on, everybody. Remember, this is light green color. Yes, light green color. We are filling our star with light green color. Now we are filling our circle with purple color. Yes, this is purple color and the shape is circle. We are done coloring our circle with purple color. Yes. Now we are using yellow color to fill our heart shape. Which shape is this? Heart shape. Color, color, and color. We are almost done. So we are done with filling our heart. These are our shapes. Hope you learned them. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share Rabia's Time Book. See you next time. Bye.